Speaking of which, personal hygiene, it begins and ends with our hands. And though we're taught as kids to always wash our hands before dinner, important to remember germs don't care what time of day it is. So here for National Hand Washing Awareness Week, it is a thing. We've got Dr. Celina Moore from West Boca Medical Center. So Dr. Moore, tell us how often children should be washing their hands.
So before every meal, a child should learn to wash their hands, after going to potty as well, so after a bathroom, and then any other time that they touch something that's kind of icky or gooey, whether it's dirt or something they might fall on the floor.
The playground, right?
Yes.
I mean, any of the public places.
Correct.
Is there, I've always heard, and we might have done this as I was a child, you sing a song while you wash your hands because there's a certain amount of time that you should be scrubbing for?
Right, at least 20 seconds, but a child doesn't really have a good sense of time. So a song like Row, Row, Row Your Boat, for example, or Happy Birthday to You, or something that they can sing along, and you can make up a hand washing song if you want. But something that they will have the time pass, and then make sure you wash both hands as well.
Okay. Now I have a 2.5-year-old in school and a newborn at home. So we've made it practice that right after school we strip down and take a bath immediately. Is that a good practice to be in? Does it really make any kind of difference to get rid of those germs?
Of course it does, especially when you have a newborn or you have somebody at home that might be getting sicker than other people. Someone who might be having some kind of immunosuppression from chemotherapy, or the elderly. So you want to make sure when you're in a place with a lot of cooties, a lot of germs, like preschool, or maybe, sometimes going to the mall, or a place like an indoor playground, that you want to wash your hands, before you touch a newborn.
I am that mom that always has hand sanitizer on us, in the diaper bag, in the stroller. Is that really effective if we're not near the sink, or should it really, we find a bathroom?
I personally really am not a big fan of hand sanitizers. I don't like all that antibacterial products out there, but it is better than nothing.
Right.
So if you're between a Purell or hand sanitizer type thing versus a good old-fashioned hand washing the sink, go for the sink.
Okay, and how about some of those, like with children, they have the gentle ones that are alcohol free. Are those, do you know if those are just as effective? Should we watch out for things when using this stuff with kids?
Yeah, they are as effective, but you'd still rather have them have good technique in washing their hands. And remember to get under the nails as well.
Yeah, especially during flu season.
Yes.
We've seen a lot of those cases. All right, well, thank you so much, Dr. Moore. We appreciate you joining us to spread some awareness on Hand Washing Awareness Week.